Greetings. I'm going to show you a radio that I got for my Jeep JKU. It's a 2014 Sahara. Originally I had the Alpine stereo in it. Pretty basic radio that was in it. No trouble with that, just did not have CarPlay or any of the newer features, backup camera or maps or anything like that. So I decided to search for radio, and upon searching came across this radio from Awesafe Incorporated.com. They sell on Amazon and directly from their website. This is their 10-inch model. It's an Android 12 operating system. And as you can see here, it has replaced entirely the radio I have. This is an entire new bezel face here that they ship you. Also the dash plate around this area is also replaced as one part, because this is two separate pieces now that you get. The new top tray comes also. And so what this does is it plugs right up to your existing wiring harness to provide you all the wiring connectors and such to do that with. It has a plug on the back that will plug into a backup camera that they also sell. That was easy to install and wire up, and pretty much it's plug and play. The instructions they give you is pretty non-existent. However, it does make sense where items plug in. It's only pretty much one location that it can do. The only issue I had was upon installation I had no sound. That was due to my Alpine system that's in this, and I just had to splice two blue wires together. And once that was done, and everything worked fine after that. So what I get now is, I have the maps, it's hooked to my phone. I have Sirius XM I can play, radio tuner, anything else that's on here I can go through and do. It's all touchscreen. It moves pretty well. It shows you my messages, calls that come up. Everything works well. It is fast. It's hardly any pauses going into different things. Your different settings you can go into, make changes about anything you want. I did find that to get into the inner operating system, there's a password on that, and mine was simply 6 zeros. Once that was entered, I could go into the operating system. You can make all kinds of other changes behind the scenes if you want to. Time of day, your Fahrenheit to Celsius, those kind of things. You have to go into that setting and make those changes. Overall, I've been enjoying the radio. It has done very well, but I've only got a week into it. The hands-free seems to work fine. Everybody can hear me. I do have to turn the volume up. Seems like it's a lot dimmer than the radio when somebody is speaking, but once that's conversation roll with, turn the volume back down when the radio cuts back in. The backup camera works very well also. So if I can do it here, simply hitting into reverse pops up my backup camera. And in a nutshell, that's about it. You do have to remove the dash, the pieces, all the Jeep parts do pop out and go into the new dash that you get. It's only, 1, 2, 4 screws that hold the thing together. And there's numerous videos that showing you how to disassemble this stuff. I didn't show you that. I've done all this ahead of time. But I just want to show you how it looks afterwards. And so far I'm very pleased with this, and hopefully it will last me a long time. It's a much improvement over the OEM radio that I have. Getting questions? Let me know. Thanks.